How to change store name in Shopify. Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change your store name in Shopify app. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your web browser and then simply go to shopify.com or simply search for Shopify login and then tap on the first link that you see. Click on the login button and then log into your account. Once you are logged in, you should be able to see all of your stores here. So just select what store you want to rename. So if you head over to all stores, you should be able to see all of your stores from here and click on one of your active stores. Now, in order to change the name for this, you'll find the add store name option right here at the start. If you don't see it, you can find the settings menu on the left side of your screen. Then from here, you're going to have to simply go ahead and customize your store name. So click on this edit button on store details and choose the store name. So let's just name it something like this. Now you could also add a phone number additionally, and don't forget to tap on the save button at the bottom right. Now you've successfully changed your store name right here. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.